You can also use charcoal on the outside, and it can be used for bee stings, spider bites, snake bites, wasp bites, any bite. We've got something in Australia called jumping ant, and oh, they sting very, very badly. And when you apply the charcoal poultice, the pain goes within minutes.
Activated charcoal, a natural substance often overlooked in modern medicine, is presented by Barbara as a miracle treatment that hospitals might not want you to know. In her insightful presentation, she elaborates on its versatility and efficacy in dealing with various health conditions. From food poisoning to emergency detoxification, activated charcoal is described as a remarkably powerful tool that is both simple and affordable. Let's explore why this seemingly humble remedy is garnering such attention, and why, despite its potential, it isn't as widely promoted as it could be. The power of activated charcoal. Let's dive into what makes activated charcoal a true superstar in the world of natural remedies. Barbara O'Neill describes it as one of the most powerful absorptive agents known to man. But what does that really mean? First off, activated charcoal isn't just your average backyard charcoal. It's created by heating carbon-rich materials, like wood or coconut shells, to high temperatures in an oxygen-limited environment. This process transforms the charcoal into a highly porous powerhouse with countless tiny pores.
An activated charcoal is charcoal that has been made by slow combustion, and also a spray of water that helps to activate it, which means it just absorbs more poisons.
These microscopic holes are what give activated charcoal its incredible ability to adsorb, yep, that's adsorb, not absorb, toxins. But hold on, what's the difference? Well, adsorption means that unwanted substances cling to the surface of the charcoal particles, effectively trapping toxins and poisons in the process. Imagine activated charcoal as a magnet for toxins, pulling in harmful substances and leaving your body feeling cleaner and more refreshed. This remarkable quality makes activated charcoal a go-to remedy for a wide range of health issues. It's like having a natural vacuum cleaner for toxins in your toolkit. Did you get an upset stomach from a questionable meal? Activated charcoal can help alleviate those woes. Feeling a bit sluggish after a night out? It might just help you bounce back by removing impurities from your system. But that's not all. Activated charcoal can even help with things like reducing gas and bloating. So, if you're looking for a natural way to cleanse your body and improve your overall wellness, activated charcoal is definitely worth considering. Just remember, it's all about that unique porous structure working its magic. Remarkable detoxification properties. One of the most compelling aspects of activated charcoal, as highlighted by Barbara, is its ability to detoxify the body. Imagine you're dealing with food poisoning, which is a very unpleasant and potentially dangerous experience. Barbara explains that activated charcoal can absorb the toxins in the digestive tract, essentially neutralizing their harmful effects and allowing the body to expel them safely.
In hospitals, they use charcoal to filter the blood for dialysis. And in cases of poisoning, anyone who's worked in casualty knows that they give a dose of charcoal. Because if someone's been poisoned and they take charcoal, the charcoal will adsorb and bind that poison to its facets, and it's basically safe until it gets out of the body.
But the detoxifying powers don't end there. Activated charcoal's remarkable ability to bind with toxins makes it a powerful tool for supporting the body's natural detoxification processes. Barbara explains that it acts like a sponge, soaking up unwanted chemicals and allowing the body to eliminate them more effectively. This cleansing effect helps to reduce the toxic burden on the body, ultimately contributing to better health and wellness.
So as soon as the charcoal's taken, it absorbs and it takes the poison into itself. Its surface area is incredible, and at the same time it neutralizes the poison.
Medical applications and the breadth of its effectiveness. Barbara elaborates on several scenarios where activated charcoal has demonstrated its versatility. Let's take a closer look at some of these applications. Number 1. Food poisoning. When food poisoning strikes, activated charcoal can be your best friend. Whether it's from dodgy food, bad water, or even accidentally swallowing something harmful, Barbara O'Neill swears by this remedy for quick relief. Imagine feeling that wave of nausea or the dreaded runs. Activated charcoal steps in like a superhero to save the day. How does it work? This amazing natural remedy has a knack for binding to those nasty toxins in your digestive system, trapping them so they can't do any more harm. This means you can say goodbye to those uncomfortable feelings of vomiting and diarrhea faster than you can say food poisoning. What's even better is that you can easily take activated charcoal right at home. Just mix it with water or juice and you're on your way to feeling better. It's like having a secret weapon in your kitchen for those pesky tummy troubles. So next time food poisoning comes knocking, don't panic. Reach for that activated charcoal and let it work its magic. You'll be back to enjoying your favorite meals in no time.
But where charcoal is unique, it will absorb and neutralise poisons. Nothing else will do that. And in hospitals today, they use charcoal for poisoning cases.
Number 2, drug overdoses. As Barbara O'Neill highlights, activated charcoal plays a crucial role in emergency rooms, especially for treating drug overdoses. While its effectiveness can vary depending on the type of drug ingested, activated charcoal can truly be a lifesaver. It works wonders by reducing the absorption of certain drugs in the stomach, giving patients a fighting chance. When administered promptly, activated charcoal binds with drugs or chemicals, preventing them from entering the bloodstream and limiting the potential damage. Activated charcoal is commonly used in hospital emergency rooms for patients who have ingested toxic substances. When given shortly after consuming specific drugs or poisons, this powerful remedy can drastically reduce the amount absorbed by the body, providing a crucial window for a safer outcome. Barbara is adamant about its importance in emergencies, calling it one of the quickest and most effective methods for removing toxins from the gastrointestinal tract. So, if you ever find yourself in a sticky situation with toxic substances, activated charcoal could be the hero you didn't know you needed, buying you valuable time until more comprehensive medical care kicks in.
One girl said to me, I had an overdose and they gave me a choice to have my stomach pumped out or take charcoal. She said, I chose the charcoal. So charcoal absorbs and neutralises poisons. So it can be used internally and it can be used externally.
Number 3, snake bites and venomous insect bites. Activated charcoal is not just your everyday health remedy. It's got some dramatic uses too. One of the most striking applications involves snake bites and venomous insect stings. While the idea of using activated charcoal in these scenarios might sound a bit surprising, Barbara O'Neill explains how it can actually neutralize the effects of venom in certain situations. Talk about a powerful tool to have in your health arsenal. So, how does this work? Activated charcoal works its magic by absorbing the toxic components of the venom, which can help slow down its spread through the body. Imagine it as a sponge soaking up the nasty stuff, making it less likely to wreak havoc in your system. It's important to note, though, that while activated charcoal can be helpful, it should never be your go-to solution instead of antivenom or other emergency medical treatments. Always remember, medical assistance is crucial in these situations. Picture this: you're out hiking, enjoying nature, and suddenly, bam, you've been bitten by a snake or stung by a venomous insect. Your heart races and panic sets in. That's where activated charcoal can come to the rescue, serving as a valuable interim measure when you can't get immediate help. It's like having a safety net until professional medical assistance arrives. Barbara emphasizes that activated charcoal should be seen as a stopgap, not a substitute for proper medical care. It's a great option to buy yourself some time, but always prioritize getting to the hospital or calling for help as soon as possible. In the grand scheme of things, it's always better to be safe than sorry, right? Let's be real. Dealing with a snake bite or venomous sting is no walk in the park. The last thing you want is to be stuck in a remote location with limited access to medical help. That's why knowing about activated charcoal can be a game changer. It gives you a little extra reassurance, a way to tackle those unexpected challenges head on. So, activated charcoal is not just a detox superhero. It's also a valuable ally in the face of venomous bites and stings. Just remember, it's not a replacement for medical care, but rather a smart addition to your toolkit when emergencies arise. So, the next time you venture into the great outdoors, keep this handy remedy in mind. It might just save the day.
So charcoal can be used for tick bites, for spider bites, for wasp bites, bee stings, snake bites, any type of poisoning. Because as soon as that charcoal is applied to the area, it'll immediately absorb and neutralize the poison.
Number 4. Infections and abscesses. Activated charcoal isn't just for internal use. It's also a fantastic remedy for skin issues. Barbara O'Neill reveals that activated charcoal can be applied topically to draw out toxins from infections and abscesses. This is where the idea of a charcoal poultice comes into play. Basically, when you apply activated charcoal externally, it works like a magnet, pulling out impurities from infected areas and helping your skin heal faster. It's like giving your skin a detox. So, if you're dealing with pesky infections, consider using activated charcoal as your go-to solution for a quicker recovery.
Now, charcoal doesn't have a taste. And you can use it if any poison has been ingested. And it can also be used if a person has diarrhea or gastric or bloating. The charcoal, when it's taken, will absorb and neutralise the poisons and can bring a lot of relief.
Activated charcoal as a home remedy. Beyond those dramatic emergencies, activated charcoal is also a fantastic home remedy that Barbara O'Neill highly encourages for a variety of common ailments. What makes it so appealing? Well, for starters, it's natural, affordable, and incredibly versatile. Since it's a natural remedy, many people prefer it over synthetic options that might come with unwanted side effects. And the best part? You don't need to break the bank to keep activated charcoal on hand. It's easily accessible at health stores and online, making it a convenient choice for anyone looking to enhance their home remedy toolkit. So, whether you're whipping up a charcoal face mask for a clearer complexion, or taking it to help soothe an upset stomach, activated charcoal is a practical, multi-purpose ally for your health. Stomach upsets and digestive issues. Digestive problems like bloating, gas, and indigestion are common complaints that many people experience. Activated charcoal can be used as a remedy to alleviate these issues. According to Barbara, it works by adsorbing the excess gas in the digestive tract, which can bring relief from bloating and discomfort. If you've ever experienced a heavy, uncomfortable feeling after eating certain foods, activated charcoal might be the answer. Its ability to bind to and neutralize unwanted substances makes it an effective treatment for promoting better digestive comfort.
So internally it can be used for any case of poisoning, and it can also be used for diarrhea or vomiting. Many people that go to Asia always travel with charcoal tablets because if they get rid of what's called barley belly or diarrhea, they'll take the charcoal.
Treating tooth decay and teeth whitening.
Traditionally, I know in Australia, a lot of the Aboriginals used to clean their teeth with charcoal. Yes, that black charcoal makes nice white teeth. Maybe not while you're cleaning them.
Let's talk about something that might surprise you: teeth whitening. Barbara O'Neill highlights activated charcoal as a fantastic all-natural solution for brightening up those pearly whites. You might be thinking, wait, using something black to make my teeth white? It sounds a bit counterintuitive, but trust people have experienced noticeable improvements after incorporating activated charcoal into their oral care routine. So, how does it work? Activated charcoal has an incredible ability to adsorb plaque and microscopic particles that can stain your teeth. This means it can help lift away those stubborn stains from coffee, tea, or even red wine, leaving your smile looking fresher and brighter. However, a word of caution. While activated charcoal can work wonders, it's crucial to be gentle when using it on your teeth. Its abrasive nature means that overusing it can potentially damage your enamel. And let's not forget that charcoal isn't just good for whitening, it's also great for healing teeth. So, if you're looking to enhance your oral health while achieving a brighter smile, activated charcoal could be a game changer. Just remember to use it wisely, and you might just love the results.
But also, if someone has an infected tooth, a sore tooth, they can put a charcoal tablet right down between the gum and the cheek, and it can absorb poisons out of that, yes?
Water purification. Barbara O'Neill emphasizes water purification as another essential use of activated charcoal. Activated charcoal filters have become a staple in many water filtration systems, and for a good reason. They have a remarkable ability to remove toxins, chemicals, and impurities from water, ensuring that what you're drinking is as clean and safe as possible. So, what exactly can activated charcoal filter out? Well, it effectively removes chlorine, sediments, and even volatile organic compounds, VOCs, that can lurk in your drinking water. This means that not only do you get better tasting water, but you also significantly reduce the risk of consuming harmful substances. It's like giving your water a thorough detox. What's particularly appealing about activated charcoal is its versatility in water purification. You can use it in home filtration systems, pitchers, or even larger-scale setups for community water supplies. Its adsorptive properties make it an excellent choice, allowing it to effectively trap and hold on to a wide range of contaminants. The best part? Using activated charcoal is not only efficient but also environmentally friendly. By choosing this natural filtering method, you're opting for a sustainable solution that benefits both your health and the planet.
Filter their water and their air in outer space with charcoal. Many masks have charcoal in them to neutralise the poison. In hospitals they use charcoal to filter the blood for dialysis. And in cases of poisoning, anyone who's worked in casualty knows that they give a dose of charcoal.
The charcoal poultice, a powerful topical application. Barbara describes the charcoal poultice as one of the most effective ways to utilize activated charcoal externally. A poultice is a soft, moist mass that can be spread over the skin to treat various ailments. And in this case, it's made with activated charcoal. How to make a charcoal poultice? Barbara explains how simple it is to make a charcoal poultice at home. You'll need activated charcoal powder, water, and a binding agent like ground psyllium husk or cornstarch. Mix the ingredients until you have a paste-like consistency, then spread it over a piece of clean cloth or gauze. This cloth is then applied to the affected area, covered with plastic wrap to keep it moist, and secured in place.
Putting charcoal in water is like putting dirt with water. So I'm going to mix it with psyllium husks. And I'm using a little plastic bag here because I'm going to show you a mess-free way to make a charcoal poultice. Because charcoal is messy stuff. So you put about equal charcoal and psyllium husks in there.
The idea is that the charcoal draws out toxins and impurities from the skin. Barbara emphasizes that it can be used for a variety of conditions, everything from insect bites, minor infections, and rashes to more serious issues like gangrene. She recounts stories of individuals who experienced remarkable healing after using charcoal poultices on infected wounds or boils.
So if someone has a bee sting on here, you quickly cut an area around, take the plastic off, put it straight on the skin, bind it on. It's very quick and easy.
The ability of activated charcoal to draw out impurities makes it particularly useful for treating skin infections and inflammation. By applying it directly to the skin, it can help reduce swelling, pain, and infection, allowing the body to heal more effectively. Why hospitals might not promote activated charcoal? Barbara raises an interesting point about why the full potential of activated charcoal isn't widely promoted, particularly by hospitals. Despite its proven efficacy, activated charcoal is often viewed as a secondary treatment option, overshadowed by prescription medications and more complex interventions. But why is this the case? Simple, inexpensive, and widely available. Barbara suggests that one reason is that activated charcoal is incredibly simple and inexpensive. It doesn't require a prescription, and it can be used safely at home in many cases. Pharmaceutical companies and the broader healthcare industry often focus on promoting more profitable treatments, which means that affordable, natural remedies like activated charcoal may not receive the same attention or endorsement. No patents or profits. Another reason activated charcoal might not be as widely advocated is the lack of patentability. It is a natural substance that has been used for centuries, meaning it cannot be patented or monopolized by a pharmaceutical company. This is a stark contrast to the expensive drugs and treatments that are constantly being developed, patented, and marketed for profit. Since there is little financial incentive for pharmaceutical companies to promote activated charcoal, it ends up being underutilized, even though it could be a highly effective, low-cost option for treating a variety of conditions. Lack of awareness. Barbara also points out that a lack of awareness among the general public and even healthcare professionals could contribute to the limited use of activated charcoal. Medical schools and training programs tend to focus heavily on pharmaceutical interventions, which means that natural remedies like activated charcoal may not be part of the standard curriculum. As a result, many healthcare providers may simply be unaware of its potential uses or view it as outdated or unproven. Safety and considerations. While activated charcoal has a wide range of beneficial uses, Barbara emphasizes that it should be used with some caution, especially when it comes to self-treatment at home. While activated charcoal is generally considered safe for most people, there are a few considerations to keep in mind to ensure its effectiveness and safety. Potential side effects. Activated charcoal can cause constipation or black stools, which is to be expected given its dark color. In rare cases, it may lead to more severe gastrointestinal blockages. To minimize this risk, Barbara suggests drinking plenty of water when using activated charcoal, especially if taking it orally for digestive issues or detoxification. Interactions with medications. Another important factor to consider is that activated charcoal can interfere with the absorption of certain medications. Because it binds to substances in the gastrointestinal tract, it can also bind to prescription medications, reducing their effectiveness. Barbara advises against using activated charcoal at the same time as other medications, and instead recommends spacing them out by at least 2 hours to ensure that the medications are fully absorbed. Barbara O'Neill makes it clear that while activated charcoal is an incredibly versatile and effective remedy, it's not a cure-all. It should be used as part of a broader approach to health and wellness, and professional medical advice should always be sought for serious health conditions. For example, while it may help alleviate the symptoms of food poisoning, a severe case should still be evaluated by a healthcare provider to prevent complications like dehydration. Similarly, while it may be useful in first aid for a snake bite, immediate medical care is essential. Given the wide range of applications and benefits that Barbara has outlined, it's easy to see why activated charcoal could be a valuable addition to any home remedy toolkit. Whether you're looking for a way to relieve digestive issues, treat minor skin infections, or even as a potential first aid measure for emergencies, activated charcoal offers a natural, affordable, and effective solution.
So that's the charcoal poultice. So you're starting to see that it's a good idea to have a little jar of charcoal in your first aid kit.
Barbara's presentation on activated charcoal is a powerful reminder of the incredible potential that natural remedies hold. Activated charcoal has been used for centuries, yet its many benefits often remain overlooked in favor of more complex, expensive treatments. From its detoxifying properties and emergency medical uses to its effectiveness as a home remedy, activated charcoal is a versatile tool that deserves a place in every household. Will you give activated charcoal a try and see its benefits for yourself? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.